Kiddyzuzaa! Keep your eyes peeled for the zooseberry tree, Esme. It's notoriously hard to find. I think it's just around the corner. That's amazing. Well done, Esme. And here it is. Yuck! This is strange. Very strange. Right, come on, Esme. To the palace. Princesses, something bad is happening to the forest. There's slime everywhere. The fruits are all rotten and I think it's spreading.
Guys, you might want to have a look at this.
What is that thing?
It's like a giant beanstalk.
Giant beans.
Let's get a closer look.
What is that thing?
This is CCTV, closed circuit television. It can fly right up to that weird plant thing and we can see what it is through this screen. Fly, my pretty, fly!
Mwahaha! This potion is working perfectly. Soon the whole forest will be doing my evil bidding. What a productive day this has been! Malice is trying to take over the forest with some sort of evil beanstalk. Huh? Oh, nice try, princesses.
It must be that green potion that she's using to water it.
I think I've read about this somewhere before. Aha! Here it is. The Fiendish Forest Potion. With this potion, the forces of nature will soon be at your command. The spell can only be reversed using the purest Zuzan water from the spring of Mount Zuzaa.
Mr. Zuzaa!
What are you doing here?
The question is not what, but when.
Do you have any pure Zuzan water by any chance?
The question is not do you have, but when. Onions? The question is not onions, but
There we are. Pure Zuzan water. Nice one, Esme. Now let's get to that beanstalk before it's too late.
The question is not... Oh.
Right, princesses, we need to be stealthy. Follow my lead. I was wondering when you lot would turn up. Well, you're too late, I'm afraid. The potion is in full swing, and soon the whole of this forest will be under my command. Not if we've got anything to do with it. Right, princesses? Princesses? Mwahaha! Prepare to be slimed, Olivia. Huh? Oh, quick, Esme, chuck me the vial. I can't.
There, fly, my pretty, fly!
Nice one, Liliana. Huh? We did it! We saved the forest.
Not quite. There, that's better.
Isabella, you missed a spot. I'll get you, princesses.
This is going to be the most powerful one yet. I can't wait to show the princesses.
Ooh, it must be a crystal ball. I've been needing a new one for ages. But how do I get my hands on it?
Oh, it's time for yoga. Esme's late again.
Sorry I'm late, Isabella. Needed to make sure I had my grape smoothie.
Esme, you're getting mud everywhere. Felix, Esme's here again. Felix.
Ooh, is that what I think it is?
Wait until the other princesses are here.
Aw, okay.
Come on, let's get our yoga on.
I've got to get that crystal ball.
Start by taking a deep breath, then slowly exhale, feeling all negative energy leave your body. Now, slowly transition into downward-facing surprise egg. Now spread your arms wide and flap them like wings. You are soaring above the clouds. Now soar back down to the ground and imagine you are at a beach with crashing waves.
Wow, I can really hear the waves.
You are now sailing on the water. Bend your knees and feel the water move beneath your feet. Now, because you're a star, do some star jumps.
Whew, it's getting hot in here doing all these star jumps.
Yeah, you're right. I'll turn on the fan.
Uh-oh.
And finally, take a deep breath and open your eyes. This has been Yoga with Dave.
Oh, they're here.
It's mine! It's finally mine! The crystal ball is mine!
Crystal ball?
Huh? Wow, it's incredible!
That has to be the strongest bath bomb yet.
Bath bomb? You sure know how to throw a party, Isabella. What a fight! There, that should do it. Ready, Timothy? Good evening, residents of Kiddyzuzaa. I'm Malice, the most powerful witch around. But of course you all know that already.
Wait,
Esme, what's this?
Quite frankly, it's boring. I have decided to change this awful green forest to a more appropriate colour. Purple! Behold the Purplifier 3000!
Well, that's not too bad.
Oh, and also, by turning the forest purple, the trees will all rot.
Come on, princesses. We have to stop her.
Oh, and also, I've built a giant and beautiful maze around my tower, so no one can foil my genius plan.
Let's see. Turn the forest purple.
All the trees rotten, giant awesome maze. Yep, that's it.
Okay, game plan. Liliana, keep an eye out for trouble. Have you got your slime launcher? Isabella, have you got your magic direction seeking mirror? And Esme, have you got your... Okay, break. Mwahaha! Everything is going to plan. Mwahaha! You have arrived at the first challenge. Answer this question if you wish to pass. Raisins, currants and sultanas are all dried forms of which fruit? Got any idea, Liliana?
I don't know. Oh no, what are we going to do?
That's easy. Grapes! Ooh!
Wait, Esme, it could be a trap.
Silly princesses. Whoops. Don't worry, princesses. I've got this.
Great thinking with that flame spell, Olivia.
Yeah, flame spell. Time for round 2. What colour do you get when you mix these 2 potions?
Oh, I know this. It's... Wait, this is malice we're talking about. Purple?
Fine. Go ahead, princesses. I wonder which way we should go.
This way.
You have reached the final and most difficult challenge. Get through this door. Wait, that's it? Well, the door is really hard to get through, okay? Okay, game plan. One day that's going to work. Anyway, how are we going to get through?
Don't worry, I've got this. Pin, do your thing.
Aha! Kiddyzuzaa land is saved. Esme, there's just the light switch. And now for the main event. Princesses! La 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 la. La 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 la. What was that?
A waste of good afternoon tea, that's what.
Never mind that. What was all that shaking? It felt like an earthquake. Earthquake? Or a volcano?
Volcano?
Or... I don't know, actually.
Maybe it was something nice, like, someone making a smoothie? You're right, that's no smoothie maker.
We need an expert's opinion. Isabella to Liliana's.
So this shaking, what was it like?
Like an earthquake or a volcano.
Or a smoothie maker? Well, it couldn't be a volcano. Mount Zuzza hasn't erupted in years. And there's not been an earthquake in Kiddyzuzaa land for decades. No, the only thing capable of making vibrations that large is Esme.
Esme?
Yes. Have you heard that princess snore?
Yep.
Makes sense. Definitely,
Probably
Esme.
Hey, Esme! Hey guys, bad timing. Been battling the demon surprise egg for about 24 hours straight. Haven't even stopped for food. That's unlike you, Esme. Must be a serious battle. I know, right?
Wait, you mean you haven't slept?
Nope. Then what was that shaking? I felt that. Came from Malice's tower. She's probably up to something, as per usual.
What is that thing? I'm not sure. I've never seen technology like that before.
Oh, the satellite? I'm pretty sure that's just so she can get the Zuzza Sports TV channel. I'd have it myself, but, you know, signal's pretty bad in the forest. It's all the trees you see. What is it, Liliana?
That's no Zuzza Sports satellite.
Ah!
Guys, this is bad.
What do you mean, Liliana?
Don't you see? That satellite is a giant laser. Malice is trying to destroy Kiddyzuzaa land, and next time, she might succeed.
Well, there's only one thing for it, princesses.
Have a cup of tea and hope she changes her mind?
Nope. We're going to have to save Kiddyzuzaa land. Guys, it's just a Zuzaa Sports satellite. Okay, princesses, so we all know the plan, right? Can we go over it one more time? Absolutely. Step 1, sneak into the tower. Step 2, grab the controller by any means necessary, thus saving Kiddyzuzaa land. That's a lot simpler than I remember. Ready, princesses? Ready! Malice, stop right there!
Uh-oh.
Huh? It worked! Finally, it worked! It worked! It worked! It worked!
Wait, is that a vacuum cleaner?
Yaha! Cleans my room without me lifting a finger. Jealous?
Well, yes. But wait, that's what you've been doing this whole time, trying to get your vacuum cleaner to work?
Yeah? What did you think I was doing? But what about that massive satellite on the side of your tower? Oh, that? It's so I can watch Zuzaa Sports. Knew it! Ha ha! You guys want to stick around and watch a game? We're here. The magic wishing well. Oh, is that it? Quick, pass me the zoos and pennies. This doesn't look very magical. I wish for another zoos and penny. Look, I really don't think that this is... Aha! See? Olivia, this is the same penny that you threw in. Is it? I wish for 2 zoos and pennies. Why don't you try wishing for something that's not zoos and pennies and see if it works? Okay, I wish for a ginormous chocolate cake. See? Maybe this world doesn't accept zoos and pennies. Maybe it prefers... twigs. Olivia, I don't think those will do the trick either. Oh, trust me, Ez. Liliana, I didn't know you lived in the magic wishing well.
This is a brand new secret entrance to my lab.
Cool! Oops.
If you're after the magic wishing well, I'm afraid you're looking in the wrong place.
You know where it is?
Sure do. Come on down to the lab and I'll show you. Right, who's for some special tea?
Special tea?
That's right, special tea is my specialty. This one is made with helium.
I'm alright, thanks.
Well, take some for the road, just in case. Now, the magic wishing well. We are here. And you need to follow this path all the way to the magic wishing well. Here. But you guys should know, they say that the well lost its magic powers years ago and that nowadays it's pretty much just used by Malice to get rid of her... trash.
So it should be just by this tree. Aha! Here it is! Right, princesses. The tour of the bottom of the wishing well will be starting shortly. Olivia, what's that noise? second. This isn't a magic wishing well. It's Hey there, princesses. So nice of you to keep watch over my trash for me. In fact, as a thank you, here's a few more bags. Ha ha ha! Right, best be off. I've got some gardening to do. Oh, Malice, I should have known. And now we're stuck down here with nothing to eat or drink. Well, we do have something to drink. Oh, I'd rather eat that banana skin than drink Liliana's special tea. Huh? What? Huh? Hang on, that tea is made from helium. Your point being, give it here. A small sip should be enough. Now you have some. Olivia, I don't understand. What's this supposed to... Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ooh, that was fun. Right, come on, Esme. Time to get our own back on Malice. There she is. Quick, pass me the tea. Oh, I wish you'd just hurry up and grow already. Your wish is my command. Come on, you miserable plant. Huh? What's going on? Ah! You should be more careful what you wish for, Malice. I'll get you, princesses. Another snowless winter in Kiddyzuzaa land.
Pa, snow's overrated. Have you ever heard of cake?
Oh, Esme, you can't go sledging in cake. You can't make a snowman out of cake. And you can't have a snowball fight with cake.
I beg to differ.
It's just not the same.
I can't bear to see Olivia upset. There must be someone who could help make it snow. Oh, I can make it snow all right. Who is that? You need not know my name.
Liliana!
Oh, all right, it's me. What are you doing lurking in the shadows? I got locked out of my lab. Where's your screwdriver? I left it inside. I've been trying to short-circuit the entrance codes for hours. Leave this to me. Oh. So, anyway, about that snow. Leave it to me.
I can't believe it. It's actually snowing. Well, sort of.
We just thought that if it wasn't going to snow for real, we could make our own.
Oh, you guys, this is going to be the best winter ever.
A snow machine, eh? Well, how about we give those princesses a snowball fight they'll never forget?
Oh, it's a perfect winter wonderland. What could possibly go wrong? Huh?
Anyone for a snowball fight?
Run!
Quick, in here. I can wait here all day, princesses.
Of course Malice would have to ruin things.
What are we going to do? Don't worry, guys. I've got this. That's our answer to everything. Worth a shot?
Right. Anyone else?
Well, if it's a snowball fight she wants, I say, let's give her one.
Oh no! I seem to be out in the open without protection. What am I going to do? Huh?
Now! You'll have to do better than that, princesses.
Right, we're going to have to think outside the box.
Have you got any ideas?
Hang on. The snow globe. That's it. Oh, Malice!
Pah! You think you can stop me with a bubble? Time to put this thing into overdrive. Huh?
Ah, the perfect snowy scene. A snowman, an igloo, and of course, a giant snow globe.